Have you ever wondered why cleaning your home still feels like a full-time job? Today, we're counting down 15 incredible Amazon cleaning gadgets that save time, reduce effort, and deliver impressive results. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can easily check them out. Let's get started with the first game-changing cleaning essential. Scrubbing your bathroom by hand is one of the toughest household chores, but this electric spin scrubber changes everything. Its powerful rotating brush tackles stubborn grime, soap scum, and tile stains with ease, while the extendable handle lets you clean floors, tubs, and walls without bending over. Multiple brush heads handle different surfaces, making it a smart upgrade for any home. If you want effortless deep cleaning, this one deserves a spot on your list. You'll find the purchase link waiting in the description below. Would this replace your old scrub brush? Imagine your floors being vacuumed and mopped while you relax or work. This robot vacuum and mop combo delivers powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and automatic charging, giving you spotless floors with almost zero effort. It easily reaches under furniture, handles pet hair, and lets you customize cleaning through an app or voice assistant. If convenience matters, this gadget is hard to beat. Check the product link available down in the description for more details. Could you see a robot taking over your daily floor cleaning? Small messes don't deserve dragging out a full-size vacuum. This cordless handheld vacuum packs impressive suction into a lightweight design that's perfect for cars, furniture, stairs, keyboards, and tight corners. The large battery keeps you cleaning longer, while the HEPA filter captures fine dust for a fresher environment. It's one of those gadgets you'll find yourself using every day. The direct product link is included in the description if you'd like to learn more. Which area of your home would you clean first? Some dirt simply refuses to disappear until you bring in the power of steam. This portable steam cleaner heats up in seconds and uses high-temperature steam to remove grease, grime, stains, and bacteria without relying on harsh chemicals. With multiple accessories, it works on tiles, grout, kitchen appliances, upholstery, windows, and even car interiors. It's a versatile cleaning companion that makes deep cleaning much easier. You can find its Amazon link listed in the description below. Would you rather clean with steam instead of chemical sprays? Cleaning windows has never been this effortless. This smart window cleaning robot sticks securely to glass, sprays water automatically, and leaves behind streak-free results while you focus on something else. Intelligent edge detection and powerful suction help it clean safely, even on large windows and difficult-to-reach areas. If sparkling glass without climbing ladders sounds appealing, this gadget is worth considering. The Amazon product link has been added to the video description for your convenience. Would you trust a robot to clean your windows for you? If pet hair seems to appear everywhere, this reusable ChomChom roller is about to become your favorite cleaning tool. Simply roll it across couches, rugs, bedding, or car seats, and it quickly lifts stubborn fur without sticky tape or disposable refills. It's eco-friendly, easy to empty, and works in seconds, saving both time and money. If you share your home with furry friends, this is a must-have. You'll find the Amazon link waiting in the description below. Would this make cleaning up after your pets much easier? Dust hiding inside keyboards, gaming PCs, vents, and electronics can be difficult to remove, but this electric air duster handles it effortlessly. Its high-speed motor produces powerful airflow, while multiple speed settings let you clean delicate electronics or tougher debris with precision. Since it's rechargeable, you'll never need disposable air cans again. The product link has been added to the description if you want to check today's price. Which device in your home could use a serious dust cleanup? One simple gadget can save you from expensive plumbing headaches. This drain hair catcher traps hair before it clogs your sink or shower while allowing water to flow smoothly. The durable rust-resistant design stays securely in place and cleans up in seconds with almost no effort. It's an inexpensive upgrade that prevents messy blockages before they even start. You can grab it using the link provided in the description below. Do you think a small gadget like this could save you from future drain problems? Why buy two separate tools when one gadget does both jobs? This powerful 2-in-1 air duster and vacuum blasts dust out of tight spaces and instantly vacuums it away. With adjustable speeds, long battery life, and multiple attachments. It's perfect for computers, cars, office desks, and household cleaning. It's a practical solution that keeps every corner spotless. The product is linked down in the description for easy access. Where would you put this dual-purpose cleaner to work first? Dust on ceiling fans, shelves, blinds, and tall corners doesn't stand a chance against this versatile microfiber duster kit. Its extendable pole reaches high places safely, while interchangeable heads tackle everything from cobwebs to delicate furniture. The washable microfiber attracts dust instead of spreading it around, making cleaning quicker and more effective. If you want a complete dusting solution, this kit is worth considering. The purchase link is available in the video description below. Which hard-to-reach spot in your home needs this tool the most? Spilled coffee, muddy footprints, or pet accidents don't have to leave permanent stains anymore. This portable carpet cleaner combines powerful suction with an efficient spray and scrub system to restore carpets, couches, car seats, and upholstery with impressive results. Its lightweight design makes moving from room to room effortless, while the dual water tank keeps clean and dirty water separate. If you want professional-looking results without hiring a cleaning service, this machine is a fantastic investment. You'll find the Amazon link in the description below. Which stain would you tackle first with this cleaner? Your mattress can hide dust, allergens, and tiny particles you never even notice. This specialized mattress vacuum combines powerful suction, UVC light, ultrasonic technology, and heated airflow to deliver a deeper clean than a standard vacuum. It's an excellent choice for allergy sufferers, pet owners, or anyone who wants a fresher sleeping environment. Cleaner bedding means a cleaner home overall. If you'd like to check it out, the product link is available in the description. Would this become part of your weekly cleaning routine? Washing dishes becomes much faster when your brush dispenses soap with every press. This clever kitchen gadget features a built-in soap reservoir, durable non-scratch bristles, and a handy scraper for removing baked-on food. It keeps everything within one tool, reducing mess while making everyday cleaning more efficient. Whether you're cleaning pots, pans, or sinks, this brush makes the job noticeably easier. The Amazon product can be found through the link in the description below. Do you think this would speed up your kitchen cleanup? Traditional mopping can be messy and exhausting, but this spin mop system completely changes the experience. The hands-free foot pedal wrings out excess water, while the rotating microfiber mop head reaches corners, under furniture, and along baseboards with ease. It removes dirt and bacteria using only water, making it safe for nearly every hard floor in your home. If you're looking for faster, cleaner, and more comfortable floor care, this is an excellent choice. You'll find the purchase link in the video description. Would you replace your current mop with this system? Keeping your yard clean doesn't have to involve hours of raking anymore. This push lawn sweeper quickly collects leaves, grass clippings, twigs, and other debris into its large collection bag as you walk. Adjustable brush height helps it perform efficiently on different surfaces, while the manual design means no fuel, batteries, or electricity are required. It's a practical tool for maintaining a clean outdoor space with far less effort. The Amazon link is waiting for you in the description below. Could this make your next yard cleanup much easier? After seeing these incredible cleaning gadgets, it's easy to see how the right tools can save time, reduce effort, and make every cleaning task much more enjoyable. Remember, every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can explore each one at your convenience. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. See you in the next video.